Good morning, guys. Good morning. Um, my name is Kaygotskills, and I am 18 years old. I'm turning 19th on the 10th of October, and I'm a South African YouTuber, right? I hope you're all doing good, guys. I hope you're all good. Um, now, Today I wanted to record and share a video to provide the knowledge that I have over the years that I have been trading Forex, right? So I want to share my knowledge with you guys, and I want to provide the knowledge that I know might help y'all, Um yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Sorry about that. I'm outside right now. It's in the morning because in the house they are a bit busy, so I decided to come to the outside. It's still in the morning, guys, so that you all can hear clearly. And yeah, I'm just having a cup of coffee, right? So let's get into the video, guys. I don't want to waste any time. I hope you'll enjoy and listen up to the end, because this video is going to help y'all a lot, guys. You need the knowledge that I'll be talking about here. So please watch until the end of the video, and thank you for your time. Now let's get into the video. The first thing that I want to talk about is the introduction to what forex trading is. So forex trading, guys, forex trading is a foreign exchange market, right? Whereby it is a market of currencies. It is a market of currencies, of indices, of metal and whatsoever. So this market exchanges $6.6 trillion per day. $6.6 trillion per day. It has a lot of money in the market, guys. So what happens in the foreign exchange market is that it is currencies against other currencies, right? Now what you do in the forex exchange market is you analyze according to the data that the market gives you, and you either predict if you think a market is going to go up in value or it's going to drop in value. Let me make an example. If we have like a market that you want to trade, right? A specific pair that you want to trade. Maybe, for example, let's say we have pound against dollar, right? You have pound against dollar. You take that pair and you want to trade that specific pair. Now what happens is, in pound versus dollar, you need to analyze the market first. You need to analyze that, something that you call technical analysis, and it is, I'm going to share it further in the upcoming videos, but for now I want to give you all an introduction to what forex is. So you're going to use technical analysis methods in order to analyze the data that the market gives you. And after you use technical analysis, you're going to predict the market, if it's going to rise in value or it's going to drop in value. So for example, if you think if pound is going to go up in value against the dollar, you're going to buy pound, right? You're going to buy the pound currency. And then if you think it's going to go below in value against the dollar, you sell pound according to your capital amount that you have funded. There's also a risk percentage towards your capital that you risk, right? But if you predict that pound is going to go up in value against dollar and it goes the other direction, let's say it goes down, then that's when you lose. And if you sell pound against dollar and it rises above the dollar value, which means you have lost because it went up and you sold it, right? So that's what basically forex trading is. And the benefits of forex trading is that you make a lot of money, yes, but it doesn't come easily, and you have a lot of time, because then you have freedom, right? You have freedom. You can work from home. You can work from home, sorry. You can work from home. Only what you need is a smartphone or a laptop and an internet connection. So that's the introduction to forex trading. Now, I want to talk about the aspects that you need to know before you trade forex. Now, guys, the first mistake that I have noticed of people that starts trading forex is the rich quick mentality that they have. Guys, you need to understand that forex trading has to be treated like any other business. This is not lotto. This is not gambling. This is not a casino or whatsoever whereby you can make millions in 3 months, or you can be rich or whatever when you have just started now, and giving it a time limit of, hey, I want to start trading now, and after 3 months I want to be rich and whatsoever. It doesn't work that way. So people tend to have this rich quick mentality, and I understand why, because that's where I started personally. You want to have this rich quick mentality because whenever you want to start trading forex, you go on social media, on Instagram, on YouTube, or wherever you may have known forex trading, right? So after you get influenced by social media, the internet, or whatsoever, you start developing this rich quick mentality that doesn't work. Trading has to be treated like each and any other business. You need to understand that before you succeed in forex trading, you need to invest a lot of time. Fall in love with investing a lot of time in hard work. Fall in love with investing a lot of time in gaining knowledge, right? Those are the things that you need to focus mainly on, because before you think about making money, funding an account, and whatsoever. Fall in love with the passion first, and be patient, and understand that your time will come. But after a few years of you learning forex trading, gaining knowledge, that's why there's a quote that says, learn first before you earn. You first learn and then you remove the L. You need to first learn, guys. You need to give yourself time in order to learn forex trading first. Get rid of this rich quick mentality. Get rid of it, because it doesn't work. You're going to be outcome oriented, telling yourself that after 3 months I'm gonna buy a car, after 3 months I'm gonna buy a house, hey, I'm gonna buy whoever grocery. Get rid of that mindset. It doesn't work, guys. It doesn't work. Fall in love with learning first, and then grow as you go on learning. And the causes of the rich quick mentality, I know some of y'all want to start trading because you may have financial problems at home, you may be in poverty or whatsoever, but you need to understand that you cannot put those problems in the foreign exchange market, because the market will follow whatever it wants to follow. Whatever the rest of the investors see in the market, that's the only thing it will follow. It doesn't care whether you broke, whether you financially unstable or whatsoever. Don't give the market your problems, please. So let's go on the next aspect that I want to talk about, which is you first learn in order to earn, right? Me personally, I've been trading for about 2 years, right? I've been trading for about 2 years, and when I started, I had this rich quick mentality of, I remember the time I made my first profits, right? I remember the time I made um my profits, right? It was like 800 rand, close to 1,000. And same time, when after closing those profits, I was like, yo, this is legit. I'm gonna buy what drip clothes and all of that. And After a few weeks, that account didn't last. To be honest with you, it didn't last. I blew it. So as time goes on, I started to learn things that I did wrong in the market and gained more knowledge and understood that no, this thing it's not an overnight success. Basically, it's not an overnight success. You need to invest a lot of knowledge and you need to give it time. You need to give it time before you start understanding how to analyze the market, how to prepare your psychology towards trading and whatsoever. So don't give it a time limit. Just fall in love with with learning, fall in love with training, gain knowledge first, and then you earn after. And then one thing I want you to think forex trading about is think of forex trading like when you go to college, right? It takes about close to 7 years to become a doctor. It takes close to 5 years or 4 years to become a lawyer, right? And now you hear of forex trading. Forex trading is like a career, guys. Don't get me wrong. Forex trading is a business slash career. Now you hear of forex trading, you start giving it a time limit. But when you would have went to college, you can't tell yourself that yeah, I'm gonna study being a doctor and after 2 years or a year I'm gonna start making millions or whatsoever. No. So why don't you give the same mindset that you would have used to go to college and learn to forex trading? Give it time. Give it time that okay, I'm going to and start forex trading. Let me give myself 2 years to learn first, and then maybe on the third year I'll start earning or I'll start funding my account. Let me first save. Let me first save my money that I get, and then maybe when I have saved maybe 5,000 or 10,000 or whatsoever, then I'll fund an account and start trading. It will be much more safer that way because you would have learned first. You would have learned before you just take your whole money and putting in not knowing what you are doing in the forex market. So give the same mindset of college to forex. By that way, you're going to give yourself a delayed gratification mindset, which is going to help you a lot. It's going to help you a lot because you're going to fall in love with learning and you're going to be patient with your success and properly learn trading right without giving it a time limit or what can I say, rushing. Rushing for success, rushing that the market pays you, rushing that you need to be a millionaire and all that, right? You're going to enjoy the process. You're going to enjoy the process, and that's what it comes to, enjoying the process and learning. Then you'll earn. So give it the same mindset of college to forex. Give it time. Success, it doesn't happen overnight here. Please. And then you need to understand that forex works with steps. You're first going to get to know what forex trading is. Next, you're going to learn technical analysis, which is analyzing the market, right? And getting your analysis, getting your strategy, learning the pairs that works with your strategy and all of that. And then the hardest part is psychology, which is the most hardest part is psychology, right? That's where most traders struggle with psychology, because most people, what I've saw in the forex industry is that most people don't focus on trading psychology, where else is the most hardest part in trading. Learning to discipline your emotions whenever the market goes against your entry or against your analysis, being willing to be right all the time. You need to understand that in forex trading is about probabilities. That's how I go about trading. That's the mindset I always give myself when it comes to trading. I always keep a probability mindset. No matter how accurate your analysis may be, but always keep a probability mindset that, okay, I've seen this, but as soon as you enter, put a stop loss and put your take profit, and know that there's a probability that the market may do this, and there's a probability that the market may fetch my stop loss. Like flipping a coin and thinking that 70% will be ahead and 30% will be tails or whatsoever. That's how you need to go about trading. And that's when psychology becomes difficult, because people go around searching for the holy strategy, a strategy that wins 100%. There's no way you'll win 100% in the market. The market involves a whole lot of risk, because nobody knows what the market will do. What the only thing the market does is it gives you hints, like a double bottom, a double top, and whatsoever, and then you buy or you sell. But you'll never know what the market will do, because you do not know what the rest of investors see in the forex market, right? So you need to learn to master your emotions, and you need to learn to master your psychology, and then it goes by steps. Ola, ola. You need to and learn to master your emotions. You need to learn to master your psychology and master your technical and all of that, right? And then that's when, after you have mastered the step of, after you know what forex trading is, and after you know your technical analysis, you're analyzing. Now it's time to master psychology and understanding that forex trading involves risks. And then after you know all of this, then that's where you'll start to see progress and start to earn. It takes time. Please, guys, it takes time. Give yourself time. Batung, get rid of the rich quick mentality. It doesn't work. Uzosola, guys. Uzosola by people telling you, "Guti, join forex now, you'll be a millionaire in a week." You need to understand that each and everything that pays off takes time. It takes time, guys, because if forex trading took a week to succeed, don't you think that a lot of people that trade would have been successful by now? Don't you think? It takes time, and it all depends on your mentality, on how you observe it, and your perspective on trading, right? So master your emotions and prepare to succeed, and your psychology, your technical analysis, and all of that. And then the last thing I'm going to talk about is finding a good mentor. The last thing we're going to talk about is finding a good mentor. So finding a good mentor is very, very, very important, guys. It's very important, because a whole lot of mentors out there, not that I'm dissing anyone or whatsoever, but a whole lot of mentors don't focus on teaching upcoming forex traders that forex trading involves risks. You need to have a probability mindset whenever you execute a trade. You need to risk the money that you're willing to lose. You need to stop being outcome oriented. Stop being outcome oriented on the trade that you take, because that involves a lot of pain. And yeah, you need to find a good mentor that's going to mentor you step to step on what forex trading is about, how to master your technical analysis, your strategy according to the person who you want to be, either a swing trader or a scalp trader. You need to find a mentor that's going to help you on the right things to learn and the wrong things to avoid. Like, you find a good mentor, and don't just get a mentor that will be telling you about signals, that signals this, signals that, signals this. It's okay to trade with signals, not that it's a bad thing or whatsoever, but I suggest that it's much more better learning on your own. Because if you pay a mentor for signals, maybe they charge you, let's say, 1,000. You pay the 1,000 rand, you depend on signals, you start planning what you're going to do with the money you're going to get from the signals, and then something happens to your mentor, and he or she cannot provide signals to you for the next coming let's say 3 months or 2 months. Now what you're gonna do, you depended on signals. So it's much more better to learn trading on your own, master it, and teach other people like I am today. And yeah, it's better to learn it on your own than to depend on other people. So this is each and everything that I wanted to share in this video. And guys, please, please, please subscribe to this channel of mine, because I'm going to be sharing a whole lot of knowledge about how I came about forex trading, how I knew it, and each and everything that I know up to this far about forex trading. And also there's going to be other videos whereby I'm going to be sharing dating advice, and I'm going to be vlogs of my day-to-day lifestyle. And yeah, man, thank you for watching the video, guys. I really appreciate that. Koketso Tingan is my name. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's lastking_003. I'm gonna put it down below. And please subscribe, like the video, comment, and I'll get back to the comments when I have time and possibly can. And yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. It was a long video, but you need all of this, guys, before you trade forex. So thank you very much. Much love to you all, guys. Peace out.